Welcome to the best pick. The best gas RC car is probably one of the most exciting and powerful remote-controlled vehicles you can get your hands on, offering a thrilling experience that goes beyond the limitations of electric models with their incredible speed, realistic engine sounds, and the ability to refuel quickly for extended playtime, making them a favorite among hobbyists who crave authentic performance and a true sense of driving mastery. Number 5. DEERC 9206E DIY RC Monster Truck. Introducing a large-scale RC car that lets you be the designer. It comes with a cool, customizable shell and even a free transparent one for you to create your own unique look. Drive it day or night with its bright LED headlights. Get ready for extended playtime with 2 high-quality rechargeable batteries. Enjoy up to 40 minutes of thrilling driving action on a single charge, with each battery providing over 20 minutes of fun. Experience smooth and responsive control with its proportional throttle and steering system. Easily adjust speed and direction for an intuitive driving experience, perfect for both beginners and experts within a 100-meter range. Take on any surface with confidence thanks to its durable metal oil-filled shock absorbers. Whether it's sand, rock, or concrete, this vehicle is built to handle it all, protecting its internal components for lasting enjoyment. Looking for the perfect gift? This high-speed RC car is an ideal present for anyone who loves excitement and adventure. It's designed to spark imagination and provide endless fun for kids and adults alike. To ensure optimal performance and longevity, please avoid continuous high-speed operation for over 20 minutes to prevent overheating. Allow it to cool down between uses and avoid extreme conditions. Refer to the user guide for detailed safety tips. What we like. If you love to personalize your RC cars, this one is for you. It comes with an extra transparent shell for you to design your own unique look. Plus, with LED headlights, you can race even after dark. If you're looking for a customizable and versatile RC car, this is a great choice. What people say. The car is very fast and handles well on different terrains. The battery life is impressive, lasting for about 30 minutes on a single charge. The remote control has a good range, allowing for control from a distance. Number 4. HAIBOXING 18859 All-Terrain RC Car. Experience thrilling speeds of up to 36 kph with this powerful 4WD RC truck. Its high-performance motor and efficient drivetrain deliver exhilarating enjoyment for everyone. Enjoy a hobby-class design with features like ball bearings and independent suspension. This robust and speedy monster truck is the perfect affordable gift for boys and adults alike. Take control with a 2.4 GHz radio system offering a stable range up to 280 feet. Enjoy responsive forward, brake, and reverse functions for a seamless driving experience. Don't let the elements stop you. Its splash-proof components and high-grip tires allow you to conquer short grass, gravel, and concrete with confidence. Get moving immediately with this 99% ready-to-run vehicle. It includes 2 rechargeable batteries for up to 40 minutes of runtime, ensuring non-stop fun. Charging is simple with the included USB charger. Just ensure you use a compatible 5V2A output for optimal charging and safe operation. What we like. For those seeking thrilling speed without breaking the bank, this RC car is a fantastic option. Its waterproof electronics mean you don't have to worry about the terrain. If you're looking for an affordable yet capable hobby-grade RC truck that can handle various conditions, this is the one to consider. What people say. The car has a powerful engine that provides excellent speed and acceleration. The suspension system is robust and handles rough terrain with ease. The remote control has a good range, allowing for extended driving distances without signal loss. Number 3. DEERC DE61:8 Scale Monster Truck. Introducing the DEERC DE60, a 1:8 scale monster truck designed for thrilling adventures. Its impressive size and robust build are ready to conquer any terrain, offering an exciting off-road experience for everyone. Experience incredible climbing power with its 4WD system and dual motors, designed to tackle steep inclines with ease. The upgraded, wear-resistant tires provide superior grip, allowing it to ascend angles up to 60 degrees. Engineered for durability, it features advanced suspension and a strong alloy body, tested to withstand drops from up to 2 meters. This all-terrain vehicle is ready to conquer challenging environments. Enjoy precise and comfortable control with its ergonomically designed transmitter. Its advanced technology ensures a superior, interference-free connection, allowing for extended play sessions. Get ready for extended fun with 2 high-capacity batteries, providing up to 80 minutes of continuous driving time. It's the perfect gift for anyone seeking an exhilarating RC experience. What we like. If you want an RC car that truly immerses you in the driving experience, this is it. The large 1:8 scale and realistic sound effects make it feel like the real thing. With an impressive 80 minutes of playtime, you can enjoy extended adventures. If you're looking for a powerful, immersive, and long-lasting RC experience, this monster truck is ideal. What people say. This car is incredibly fast and handles great on various terrains, making it a blast to drive. The build quality is surprisingly robust for the price point, and the remote control is responsive and easy to use. I was impressed with the battery life, which allowed for extended play sessions without frequent recharging. Number 2. ARRMA 17 Felony 6S, BLX Street Bash Muscle Car RTR. Introducing the ARRMA 17 Felony 6S, BLX Street Bash Muscle Car. This ready-to-run powerhouse is designed for exhilarating street bashing and all-road action. It comes fully assembled with a Spectrum 3-channel DX3 radio and SR6110 at receiver featuring AVC technology. You'll experience precise control and stability. Equipped with a Spectrum Firma 150A Smart ESC, it delivers intelligent power management for optimal performance. Get ready for thrilling speed and responsiveness. Featuring D-Boots Hoon's all-road tires, it provides exceptional traction on various surfaces. Conquer any street or surface with confidence. This RTR, ready-to-run, package includes everything you need to get started, except for batteries and a compatible charger. Just add power and go. Get ready for an unmatched street bashing experience. This muscle car is built for performance and excitement right out of the box. What we like. This RC car is built for high-speed street bashing and all-road adventures. Its smart ESC technology provides advanced control and monitoring. The Active Vehicle Control, AVC, system helps you maintain traction and control even at high speeds. If you're looking for a powerful, ready-to-run street basher with advanced electronics, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The car is very fast and handles well on different terrains. The battery life is impressive, lasting for about 45 minutes on a single charge. The remote control has a good range, allowing for extended play session without losing signal. Number 1. HSP 94106110 Scale 4 DEERC Off-Road Car. Introducing the HSP 94106, a 110 scale, 4-wheel drive RC car designed for thrilling off-road adventures. Experience high-speed action like never before. This large-scale drift car offers full proportional control for precise handling. Its extra-large fuel tank ensures extended playtime, letting you enjoy the ride longer. Equipped with a robust 4-wheel drive system, it provides stable support on any surface. Conquer unexpected drops and unstable ground with confidence. Reach incredible speeds of up to 65 km/h with its lightweight design and powerful engine. The durable V-tread tires are perfect for both off-road and on-road driving. It boasts an oil-filled shock system, solid chassis, and a fiberglass disc brake for quick response. All parts are upgradable and user-serviceable for lasting performance. Looking for an exciting gift? This racing car is sure to impress, offering an edge in friendly competitions. It's built for durability and endless fun. What we like. If you crave the raw power and speed of nitro gas engines, this RC car delivers. It reaches an exhilarating 65 km/h and features a dual-speed transmission for versatile performance. The large fuel tank ensures extended run times. If you're an enthusiast looking for a fast, powerful, and engaging nitro RC experience, this truck is a top contender. What people say. The remote control has a good range and is easy to use. The car is very fast and handles well on different surfaces. The battery life is impressive, lasts for about 30 minutes on a full charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.